Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're actually going to discuss soda blasting and its effectiveness as far as restoring, cleaning, and prepping surfaces. Soda blasting itself, it's general on all surfaces, so you don't have to worry about it being too aggressive on anything that you're trying to clean. It's also environmentally friendly. Soda bicarbonate is actually found in nature. It's not harmful to anything, so you don't have to worry about that creating some kind of issue when you're blasting, unlike other medias such as silicon sand and things of that nature. So one of the benefits is also the fact that it actually cleans and deodorizes. Because of the chemical makeup of the soda, it will actually deodorize, especially if you're cleaning things that are like covered in smoke. And we've done some videos in the past where we actually used wet soda to clean up some toys that my grandkids actually had burned up in a fire, and it did actually deodorize those. One of the other benefits is it's also non-destructive, so when cleaning up parts like engine components from older cars that you don't want to remove marks of history, soda is not going to affect the substrate, so it's going to get that clean without changing any of the actual makeup of the actual part. The next benefit that I'd like to point out on soda blasting is the fact that it's water soluble. So once you're actually through blasting, you can rinse it off with water. The soda will actually evaporate. It's going to go away. It's not going to be there anymore. So there'll be nothing left behind. And as far as its versatility, it's used in automotive restoration. And one thing that soda is actually really popular with is actually using in food prep, in kitchens and cleaning appliances and anything that has to do with actual touching of meats or vegetables or anything of that nature. Those parts and tools and machines can be cleaned up using soda, and it's very effective at doing that. The other thing with soda is it's actually safe for our operators. Unlike silica sand that actually can be very damaging to your health, there is nothing as far as soda that's actually going to damage you if you actually breathe it in. In conclusion, as far as soda goes, it's a very versatile, game-changing actual application that allows you to clean, deodorize, environmentally safe, doesn't destroy the substrate. It is a fantastic product. If you're interested in soda blasting or adding it to your product line, give me a call. I'll be happy to help. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.